morning, students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha. Today I am going to discuss the topic momentum and impulse of a force. So first we discuss about momentum of a body. Momentum of a body is defined as the product of mass and its velocity. So momentum of a body, which depends on the two factors. First one is mass and velocity, and it is defined as the product of mass and velocity. Then what is the formula of momentum? Momentum is equal to product of mass and velocity, and momentum is denoted by P, mass is m, velocity is g. So this is the formula. Momentum is equal to, that is P is equal to mv, and SI unit of momentum is, so we know that SI unit of mass is kg and SI unit of velocity is meter per second. So SI unit of momentum is kg meter per second. We can also find the CGS unit of momentum. CGS unit of momentum. So in CGS unit, mass is measured in gram and velocity is measured in centimeter per second. So CGS unit of momentum is gram centimeter per second. Now momentum is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. Momentum is a vector quantity. Is a vector quantity. Now, next topic is impulse of a force. Impulse of a force a force that acts on a body for a very short interval of time and produces very significant change in its momentum is called impulse of a force. What is impulse of a force? A force that acts on a body for a very short interval of time, but it produces very significant change in its momentum. Now, what is the formula of impulse of a force which is equal to, that is product of force and time. So you can also define the impulse, the product of force and time for which it acts on a body, that is F into T. So SI unit of impulse is force. SI unit of force is Newton and SI unit of time is second. So Newton second. And also you can write the SI unit. SI unit of force is kg meter per second square and time second. So second cancel, that is kg meter per second. So this is the SI unit of impulse, kg meter per second. You can also write Newton second. Now how would you show that impulse of a force is equal to change in its momentum? So you know the formula according to Newton's second law. Force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum, that is mv minus mu by t. Force is equal to, or force is defined as the rate of change of momentum. So here change in momentum is mv minus mu and rate of change of momentum mv minus mu by t. So here we can write F into T is equal to mv minus mu, and we know that product of force and time is impulse, and mv minus mu change in momentum. So here we can show that, or it is proved that impulse of a force which is equal to change in its momentum. Thank you.